So this is what's inside the package. So we have here the instructions. So the instructions are in Korean. As you can see, I don't really understand what's on it, but I guess it's just on clock up and clock down. Okay. So now we have here the Artenik itself. So I picked the blue one because that's my favorite color. And we also have 2 spare batteries here. Okay. This is the Artenik. When you turn it on, it's like this.
It's kinda nice.
So the top part, you can see the hour, the minute, the seconds. And at the side, you have like up and down. And this one, I think this one is for the lower part. And then this one is for the upper part. It's kind of cool. So if you want to set the time, you gotta click the clock. So now it's like blinking. So you have to change the hour. So right now it's actually 6:19 p.m. So 6, and then this one's the minute. 5, 6. So this places at 20, and then you click clock. So that's the time is set. And then now you have to set the timer. It can be timer 1 or it can be timer 2. So timer, you have this is for hour, minutes, and seconds. So let's say we'll do it here, clear. So let's change it to seconds only. So timer. So now we're counting down until 5 seconds. 5 seconds. So now it's ringing. And then you stop the timer. You see, you can change it up in this part. This one is for like a vibration. The first part is for vibration, and this one's only for sound. And this one in the middle, it's actually the silent part. And it has also this feature. You can make it stand up, and you can wow. And you can just lay it down like this. Then you have 2 timers. They can work simultaneously. Yeah, kind of cool. Oh, you press clear if you want to change this one. I guess the clear is only for the timer. Yeah, kind of neat. I mean, I recommend anyone having this. So you can use Pomodoro. Yeah, instead of using your phone, which you can like do for other stuff, you can also use times like this for a timer. So yeah, that's all. It's actually pretty thin too. Okay, and then spare. I guess you have to think about when to use it. Bye.